Alright guys, 2011 Hyundai Sonata. The fuel door broke here and the customer went and got another one. This is the part number from Continental. Okay, I'll read you guys the part number. Stickers on it, but we're gonna put this onto that. What we're gonna do is, if you get to inside of this, you're gonna see 4 screws. We're gonna have to remove those screws and this whole thing yanks out, but we are gonna have to kind of push the switch back in, and we're gonna have to kind of work with this. This guy comes right out, so let's get this job going. So we're gonna remove 4 of these Phillips head screws inside. Take it easy. Make sure you don't drop nothing in the fuel tank. Come on. So it should be pretty easy to take out now. That's 1. That's 2. I'll just put them on the ground like that. 3. And that's 4. So now we should be able to get this whole door out, but be careful with this switch. So you might want to kind of work with this little guy. So we're gonna have to kind of fork it out of here. So I'm gonna kind of get this cover out first. Okay, that's gonna have to stay behind. So this has been painted, so probably not gonna be so easy to get this guy out. So if you can put your hands in there, take it easy with the paint. Okay. Okay, so this is trouble, kinda. I'm trying to get this out, but it doesn't want to come out. It won't crack, and it's like glued onto it. So I kind of just put my fork in it and I just popped this guy out of there, and it came out just like that. And hopefully I'm able to get the new one into its spot. There you have it. Bada bing, bada boom. And fuel door. Does it open? It doesn't open now. It does open. There you go. So there you have it. The fuel door opens. I'm gonna put everything back together, the screws and everything. But the trick here is to get this off, you're gonna have to go through the inside. There's like a retainers on each corner, which I'm not gonna mess with none of that stuff. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. So if you want to just buy this lid here, you can buy that. The part number, I want to read the part number to you guys, but there's a sticker on top of this. But Continental Auto Parts here in Jersey. So it seems like it's 695103S000. That's the part number, I believe so. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one.